There are a billion cameras worldwide, and over 99% of their footage is never reviewed, creating mountains of dark data. Operators are increasingly asked to do more with less, looking for automation to meet the challenge. McKinsey says there's a $250 billion opportunity in automation and retail alone. At a micro level, operators are being asked to be in many places at once, so they buy cameras. The problem is surveillance systems typically just record what's happening. They don't proactively tell users what's happening. So the operators need to buy sensors. They need to analyze operating data to understand what's happening. However, every sensor and operating system requires its own screen. This is creating an impractical, if not an impossible scenario. Operators don't have time to look at all screens. They need automated surveillance. Realwave's Intelligent Video Surveillance Cloud is designed to eliminate dark data throughout the enterprise, processing all video and related operational data to curate interesting events for users. Our video automation process has proven to yield between 2.5% to 9% increase in profits. Our secret sauce starts with the fastest video streaming service in the industry. And then we apply our advanced analytics to drive exception monitoring and our decision engine. Here at Realwave, we use deep learning at the edge, analyzing both operational data, such as point of sale, and video. We create pre and post video clips, which are sent to a long-term archive, and we socialize through web report links, event feeds, and direct messages. Our edge devices are designed to be quickly installed and automatically create a secure connection to the cloud without the need of IT. Our analytics range from facial recognition to temperature detection, thermal imaging, people counting, dwell, service times, using unique identifiers across cameras for higher accuracy, and many more. If you're ready to hop on the Realwave and automate your surveillance, contact GoRealwave.com.